Hello, my name is Antonio Spasser. In this briefing, we will be looking at the training project for Cool Widgets and giving an update. Right now, we are 4 months into our training project, and the course that we have set out is going well. In this slide, we'll look at the elements that affect the overall status. First being scope creep, which is a very important item that needs to be monitored by the PM. If the scope creep isn't monitored properly, you can have additional tasks that may be added in, which really originally wasn't projected for this project. Another element will be timeline suspense. To make sure that you are meeting requirements as you have outlined them, a constant review of the work breakdown structure is very important to be done. It also affects how you will stay in budget, because if you end up working additional requirements or going out of your timeline, it's possible that the company as a whole may go out of budget for this project. Right now, we've accomplished 3 major milestones for this project. We have completed our lesson plan. We have also completed a training material as well as our training schedule. So we can go ahead and move forward with the actual training for this project. Our upcoming milestones will be the California training, the Tennessee training, as well as the Montana training. Lastly, you can review our current Gantt chart, which has our current actual timeline and all the tasks and subtasks that have been completed as of today.